Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can live stream on Discord in 2020 or 2021 or even 2030 if you're watching this in next 9 years. So what do you want to do? You just be on Discord, and here you want to click on voice channel, and then you will be on voice channel. Right here you have option on the left down corner to choose between video and a screen. So you can choose if you want to show video. Now I'm going to click on here on screen. And now I'm going to, let's say that I want to share Blizzard Battle.net. Okay, streaming channel, resolution or frame rate, change that if you want to, and go live. And voila, here we have it. And now I can see it. Stream settings, you can have it, and everyone can actually see this. So this is pretty much it. Now you can also change stream settings, stream quality, and then just click here, stop streaming. And this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask them down in comments. And again, left down corner and click here on screen or video. Choose which one you want to choose, like settings, and go live. And voila. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.